Hi everyone, welcome to the Lakeview Health Podcast series, and I'm pleased today to be joined with Nikki Saurage, who is a peer recovery support specialist and co-founder of the White Lily Recovery Program out of Texas, Kerrville, Texas. Welcome.
Thank you for having me.
I'm really excited to have you here, but I'm also really excited to hear about your background. We've talked for a little bit about what you do. Before we get into talking about the White Lily Program, what got you interested in this field and got you started?
Well, I had a bad experience with sober living.
Okay.
And wanted to be able to provide a place where the women could walk around the neighborhood and not get mugged. Wanted it to be safe and shame-free and pretty.
Yep. And so you're in recovery yourself?
Yes.
Okay. And so you're using your Strength, Hope, and Experience to help grow that to other women in the field and help them stay sober.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah, that's fantastic. So White Lily House, it's faith-based, it's sober living. You founded the program with your daughter.
Yes.
Tell me about that.
My 15-year-old daughter, I used to own a few sober homes, and she told me she missed me owning sober homes and wanted to open a sober home.
At 15 she
At
asked you this?
15 years old. So,
Really?
of course, I'm going to tell her yes.
Yeah.
And thought, since it's my daughter and I, we'll do it faith-based.
Okay. And so how does that work? What does that mean when you talk about it being faith-based?
Well, we have where the girls can have options to go to Bible studies or to church, but we don't force them. It is completely optional. I just want them to know that it's there, that, the hands of Jesus are there if they want to explore that avenue. But I'm not going to step down their throat.
Okay. Make it, helping them explore their spirituality in a way that's comfortable and safe.
Definitely.
So how does the White Lily program work? What do you guys do on a daily basis? What would somebody expect when they get there?
Oh, well, they would expect, first of all, to do a UA.
Okay. That's good.
And they would go over the rules. My rules are pretty common. They're nothing crazy.
Okay.
They would expect to have to get a job within the first 2 weeks.
Okay.
They would commit to staying for 90 days. Random UAs. Take part of peer recovery coaching sessions once a week. And if IOP was recommended from their aftercare, then that means that's going to be their aftercare and they need to complete it.
Okay.
We're real big on accountability and following through.
Do they have had to have had a treatment experience first before coming there? Okay, great. So they can get sober in the rooms and they can come.
Oh, yes.
That's great. Wonderful.
Definitely, but I do not detox.
No detox.
No detox.
Yes. Where is Kerrville in relationship to some major cities that we would be familiar with?
It is west of San Antonio.
Okay. All right. How far away?
45 minutes.
Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah, it's not bad at all.
Okay. So if someone were to want to learn more about your services or access your services, how could they get in touch with you?
They could call me directly at 830-481-7406.
Okay.
Or they can go to our website, which is whitelilyrecovery.com.
Wonderful. It's important for us to have more access to resources for women, and so it's wonderful that you have this great program, especially with your daughter. I'm sure it's extra special for you guys both.
Well, thank you very much. It's interesting.
It's interesting?
Yes, she picked out the house.
Okay.
So she knew exactly how many beds were going to go in each room, and I was just like, oh my gosh.
She really has a passion for it.
She really does.
That's fantastic. Well, great. Well, for those of you that are interested in learning more about Lakeview Health, we invite you to visit us at lakeviewhealth.com. Or if you know someone that needs treatment right away, please give us a call at 866-887-0142. Thank you, Nikki, for joining us here today in Jacksonville.
Well, thanks for having me.